I work as an exhibition production director, so means I'm kind of in charge of putting up museum shows. That's my role. There's a many stage of work to make an exhibition. Usually we prepare 2-3 years before, prior to, and we make plan, and we kind of gives idea, back and forth. We have a lot of people involved, which is production of artwork, and which is maybe shipping, which is conservation. Also, we're kind of invading some area. All the area we have wallpaper or floor paper. Many components in this exhibition to make one show. I think it's right this moment it's peaked. So what you see is very developed and very unique exhibition. Unique in a way how pieces are exhibited.